Using a non-pliable wax ring on a moving wooden floor risks a failed seal when the floor shifts. A rigid wax ring provides an initially tight fit, but it cannot accommodate lateral or vertical movement of the subfloor and joists, so even small seasonal expansion or contraction will create gaps between the flange of the toilet and the drain pipe. Over time, those gaps allow sewer gases to escape and liquids to leak into the subfloor, which accelerates rot and can produce structural damage that is expensive to repair. Best practice is to assess the amount of anticipated movement before you install the toilet by checking for bounce or deflection with a person standing on the finished floor near the fixture and by measuring any unevenness around the flange. If movement is present, use a flexible seal made from foam or rubber that compresses and springs back, creating a continuous seal despite motion. When installing a flexible seal, ensure the flange height is correct, so the seal sits squarely on the flange and the toilet makes even contact without over-compressing the material. Torque the mounting bolts evenly and test by rocking the toilet gently to confirm the seal holds while the floor moves. Common mistakes include assuming a one-time tight fit will remain watertight, and that leads to leaks because wood floors move over time. Switch to a compressible foam or rubber seal and verify flange height during installation to prevent this. Another issue is over-tightening bolts, which crushes a pliable seal or deforms the toilet base, so tighten evenly until the bowl stops rocking and then quarter-turn each bolt, checking the seal visually for even compression. A third concern is using a seal designed only for rigid substrates on a flexible subfloor. Choose seals explicitly labeled for moving floors or use an offset flange and ring that allow the flexible material to seat correctly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compare services related to plumbing and flooring repairs. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where our members share real experiences and installation tips.